In this video, I want to show you how to measure distance in meter or kilometer in ArcGIS. That is, how to measure in metric units. So for example, I have this polygon, which is a parcel of land. If I want to measure the edges or the diagonal of this parcel of land in meter, kilometer, or even in feet, how to do it? Now to do that, just come here, you will see a tool called measure. This one helps you to measure distance and area on the map. So if I click on it, it will open the measure page. Now here, before you start measuring, you have to set the units. And if you come here, you can see choose units. If I click on the drop down, you can see distance and area. So if you are measuring distance, come and select the units you want to measure, and you can see various units available here. You can see kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, down to inches. For example, if I want to measure in meter, I'll select meter. So after selecting meter, I'll have to pick the measure line. I'll pick it. Then if I come here, for example, I want to measure the diagonal of this parcel. So I'll click at this edge and move to the other side and click. You can see that as I click, you see the total length of the line I've drawn, which is about 605 meters. So if I want to change the unit, I can come down here, come to distance and change it. For example, let's say to feet. I'll click on feet. You can see that it has changed accordingly. So if you want to measure distance on your map, this is how to do it. Pick the measure tool and change the units of your measurement before start measuring. If I want to measure the edges of this property, I'll come to this edge, click, and move to the end here and click. So you can see the length I've measured in feet, and I can change it, for example, to kilometer, and you can see the distance in kilometer here. So this is how to measure distance in metric units in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.